Come on, what took so long?
Bunch of malarkey.
Always said this, Brett. If I can't go home and explain it to the people of West Virginia, I can't vote for it. And I cannot vote to continue with this piece of legislation. I just can't. I've tried.
Exactly what?
This is a no.
There's going to be a dark winter ahead. How to die with it? This is his economy he's shut down. The reason it's shut down is because,
of public
look,
service, and I've been around for a long time. I've never seen anything like this. The political games have to stop.
What?
I think it's a disgusting thing that he said.
I'm from West Virginia. I'm not from where they're from, and they can just beat the living crap out of people and think they'll be submissive.
You got knocked the fuck out!